Welcome back, everyone, to our StockApp tutorial series. In today's video, we're going to explore a new feature where users can favorite search tickers and save them to local storage using SwiftData. Let's get started. We will start by importing SwiftData, annotate our struct with that model, implement initializer, and we also have to change our struct to class. In the init, from method, we start by creating a container keyed by the coding keys defined in our object. Then, we use decode if present to decode each property from the container. If a value exists for a key, we assign it to the corresponding property in our object. With the init, from method implemented, our object can be decoded from a decoder by providing the necessary values for each property. In the encode to the method, we create a container keyed by our coding keys. Then, we use encode to store each property value in the container for encoding. To enable SwiftData for our best match model, we need to make a small modification. We can use the Dart model container for modifier provided by SwiftData to associate the best match model with the container responsible for handling local storage. Now in our ticker view file we will first import SwiftData, then we will use that environment to get the model context. And to get the saved data we will use that query annotation.